how do you think? Is it possible? Of course, it's already wrong answer when I ask, is it possible? Of course, everything is possible. But they were raised, and I mean, they had dad who was always with them, who was always working with them, and they were on another level. And how do you think? Is it possible to become so professional by yourself? Because sometimes you just don't want to do anything. Sometimes you just want to lie on the bed and just think about nothing.
There are different theories about this. Here's my opinion. I think that we are definitely social creatures. We are social by nature. We need human beings to connect and network with others. That's part of our survival on a very basic psychological level. Now, do I think Venus and Serena had an advantage because of their parents? Yeah, because their parents pushed them. So when you're young, I definitely think that's a huge advantage. But at the same time, let's say, for example, you maybe didn't have the right motivation or the right environment or the right positive people around you to be successful. And now you want to turn that around, regardless of what age you are, regardless of if you're in your teens or your 20s or 30s or even 40s and up. If there's something in you and you want to change and you're ready to make that effort, I think it's possible, man. I definitely think it's possible to be and reach that level of professionalism. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?